Apple Valley Airshow.
Okay, I think they are coming back around. Josh, on top of us.
All right, yeah, here we go.
Well, it's going to be an incredible day of plane spotting as we're getting situated here for an incredible afternoon here at Apple Valley. You are joining us. You are joining LA Flights Live with Peter, Josh, special co-host Kevin, and we
Crazy
also,
Kevin. Get it right.
That's true. We're not the crazy brothers either. We're the sophisticated brothers. Are you ready?
Yes.
So we're gonna have an incredible afternoon today. As you guys can see, we are at the Apple Valley Air Show.
And you know something?
What's up?
This time live in 4K.
Yes.
Can you believe that?
We are live in 4K. Make sure your settings are 4K to enjoy the incredible planes.
And you are watching the Dawn Patrol Airshow Formation Group.
Look at that. They're all only a few feet away from each other. My goodness, it's so impressive to see the axe.
Each one of them with their own call sign. You've got Fast Eddie, Sunblock, RB, Keys, Cowboy, and Wingnut.
That's an incredible sight.
And this is just the opening performance to get us started.
We'll give you a briefing of what's to come after the performance ends. We're going to have an incredible day. We're going to have the jets. We're going to have the props. We're going to have the vintage. We're going to have the new. We're going to have a lot of planes in front of our cameras this wonderful Saturday afternoon here in Apple Valley, California, here on LA Flights Live. time and the anchorage and the refueling and the... Oh my goodness, we're so happy to see you, Kevin. And listen, we have a special guest as well, manning B-Cam as well.
Absolutely.
So we're
Mystery
going to be...
guest. A little bit of a mystery guest here.
So any guesses to who is manning B-Cam right now? Send your guesses on the chat, and we would love to see your guesses. Special guests, manning B-Cam. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining LA Flights Live, the home of the one more plane. We go to the city that we call... This is where
This
we
is
live.
your home.
Finally,
Absolutely.
we're in
This
our
is-
home airport.
Yes.
And we're so privileged to bring the action from Apple Valley, a city that I hold near and dear my heart, Apple Valley. We can't wait for today's action. All right, Kevin, let's
Thank
go
you.
back. Are they coming in to land? What's the runway called? What's the runway number for Apple Valley, Kevin?
Well, it is 18. Normally it would be 18 taking off and 36 landing, I guess.
Okay, yes.
One runway.
Right now they're touching down on runway 36.
Correct.
Wow, an incredible day. Wow.